Hi, I'm Ranix, and I'm going to show you how I go about color matching two different textures. So here I have these two concrete textures in separate layers, and I'm going to create 4 layer groups called brightness, hue, saturation, and preview. So the texture I want to change will go at the bottom, and the reference texture will be just below the preview group. First, inside the preview group, I'm going to create a new hue saturation adjustment layer, and turn saturation down to the lowest. So for now we only need to worry about brightness and contrast. So in the brightness group, I'm going to create a new brightness contrast adjustment. And now tweak the brightness and contrast to match the reference. When that's done, I'm going to go to our preview group and turn the saturation up to the maximum. So now the brightness is matched, the saturation is maximum, so we only need to worry about the hue. So in the hue group, create a new hue saturation adjustment, and adjust the hue to match the reference. If you can't match it all the way only using the hue slider, you can add another adjustment layer called color balance. With this you can add specific colors to shadows, midtones and highlights separately. Once the hue is matched, you can delete the preview group. And in the saturation group, you can create a new hue saturation adjustment layer. And the only thing you need to match now is the saturation. Here I also went back and changed the brightness a bit. After all of that, you should end up with a very closely color matched texture. You can also select your texture in all the adjustment layers and click merge layers, and there's your final texture. I hope this video is helpful or entertaining. This is Ranix signing off.